Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an endeavor to spread awareness among the students about our glorious history. Students should be aware of how India slowly and steadily achieved success and brought name and fame internationally. In this journey, so many brave hearts sacrificed their lives. We not only remember the gallantry awards which they were honored with, but also respect their efforts in making India achieve its zenith in all the fields. This long history of India can be divided into three phases: 1947 to 1972, 1972 to 1997, and 1997 to 2020. Each phase is described by a group of students. Now let us hear them out.
So today I'm going to share and highlight some of the major events that happened during 1947 to 1972. On 15th August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of our independent India. Rajendra Prasad became the first President of India in the year 1950. The Planning Commission has drafted the outline for first 5-year plan in July 1951. First Lok Sabha was held on 17th April 1952, just after our general elections. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1947 to 1948 was fought between India and Kashmir, and it is also known as First Kashmir War. India has launched its first satellite on 19 April 1975, Aryabhata. On 18th August 1951, India's first IIT inaugurated in Kharagpur.
I should briefly touch on a few landmark events in the time period 1972 to 1997. 2nd July 1972, India and Pakistan signed the historic Shimla Agreement post the 1971 Indo-Pak War.
इकहत्तर के महासमर का ये अंजाम बड़ा अनूठा था। घुटनों पर था पाकिस्तान और पूर्वी हिस्सा टूटा था। 16 दिसंबर 1971 की शाम 4 बजे की ये तस्वीर भारतीय सेना के अद्भुत पराक्रम की गवाह है। पाकिस्तान के 93,000 सैनिकों ने विश्व इतिहास का सबसे बड़ा आत्मसमर्पण किया। 3 दिसंबर को पाकिस्तान ने भारतीय वेस्टर्न कमांड पोस्ट अमृतसर, पठानकोट, श्रीनगर, अवंतीपुर, उत्तरलई, जोधपुर, अंबाला और आगरा पर अचानक हवाई हमले और सुलेमान की खेमकरण और पुंछ में भारी गोलाबारी के साथ जंग का आगाज किया था। और मात्र 13 दिन के भीतर भारतीय सेना ने धरती, जल और आकाश तीनों में उसका गुरूर चूर चूर कर दिया और भारत की विजय के साथ ही पाकिस्तान के जुल्मी शासन से आजाद होकर दुनिया के नक्शे पर एक नए मुल्क का जन्म हुआ, जिसका नाम है बांग्लादेश।
Innumerable sacrifices at the circle of a soldier's life are his medals of metals. Honor this say at the end of the day, and I say these their only takeaway.
In this 75th year of independence, we want to make the students aware of our glorious past. We want to tell students that how these people have played an important role in the glorious past of our country. Today, we are standing in front of the house of S.S. Raju. You can see this is the villa. These are the students of 11th and 12th class from Army Public School, Kota, who are going to meet the real life hero and ask about his experiences. So come on, let us go inside and meet. See, सारे बच्चे आपसे मिलने आए हैं।
Good morning, uncle.
What was your best experience you went through?
अच्छा, इस लड़ाई का एक तो मैं बताता हूँ बेटा। ये क्या है बेटा? गोल्ड का होना चाहिए। ये जो है गोवा की लड़ाई में तो था, और उसके साथ साथ ये भी लिखा है, वो भी है, ये 2-3
commanding a company of grenadiers in the eastern sector, was given the task of capturing an enemy post. The attack was halted by intense enemy small arms and mortar fire. With utter disregard for his personal safety, he crawled up to the enemy light machine gun bunker and destroyed it by lobbing a grenade. Thereafter, he led an assault on the enemy post and captured it. In this action, Major Rathore displayed gallantry, leadership, and devotion to duty of a high order.
15th August 1972, PIN code introduced in India. 18th May 1974, Operation Smiling Bullseye, or Pokhran 1, the first ever successful nuclear bomb testing on Indian soil. 13th April 1984, Operation Meghdut, the armed forces seized control of the Siachen Glacier, the highest battlefield in the world.
Jai Hind. In 1998, the BJP formed its first government under Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In the same year, India conducted a series of nuclear bomb testings in Pokhran, Rajasthan under the codename Operation Shakti. In 1999, Kargil War broke out and India launched the Operation Vijay after Pakistani forces infiltrated LOC. The war ended in July with India successfully recapturing Tiger Hill.
खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है. You may have been done with your past, but the past may not have been done with you. To the hills of Kargil heard the Indian Army on song. 84 Gallantry Awards, 4 Paramveer Chakra, 10 Mahavir Chakra, 70 Veer Chakra. As we salute the Kargil warriors and our brothers in arms, remember, when all the wars are done, a butterfly will still be beautiful.
In 2008, India successfully launched Chandrayaan in October to explore the moon. In the same year, Abhinav Bindra became the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at Olympics, that is, in Beijing Olympics. In 2009, Parliament passed the Right to Education Bill, making education a fundamental right of every child. In 2011, on April 2, India lifted the Cricket World Cup for the second time under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni by defeating Sri Lanka.
अपनी आज़ादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं, अपनी आज़ादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं. सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं, सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं. अपनी आज़ादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं.
Jai Hind.